Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OTTV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis quite a few times in the past, so that's where this green line annotation right there is coming from. And that brings about the first update here that needs to be made, and that is based off the foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that have watched the past video, I'm assuming you remember me talking about 0031 because I talked about that time and time again as support. But now that the price is broken below it, this would be one of the newest areas of resistance. The other area of resistance you can use, I mean, I would use both, but if you prefer to just use a purple line right there, that would make total sense. That is the 50-period simple moving average, and you can see ever since the price has been below it on 3 separate occasions over the past few days, the bears have tried, or excuse me, the bulls have tried to get up above it, but the bears just keep on rejecting it down. So the first, order of business for the bulls in terms of, regaining their footing in regards to the chart is getting back up above 0031 and staying up above it. That's going to be the first sign that the bulls are, I'm not saying taking back over control, but are at least starting to show some signs of strength. Yeah, little bounces here and there can be, miniature signs of strength, but worthwhile signs of strength I would define as the price getting back up above 0031 and then starting to maintain up above that level. What about areas of support? As it stands right now, the buyers came out in pretty good force here down at 0028. I think we can all agree that, on several occasions today, and there's just a whole bunch of price congestion right around this area right here. Yeah, I get it. A few times the price did drop down below it, but for the most part, it seems as though the majority of the buyers are indeed hanging out at 0028. So 0028, newest key area of support. 0031, new key level of resistance. So we'll see how this all unfolds tomorrow. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.